Hi, welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm explaining Google Ads search network. So how to create search network ads. So you might have seen someone searching the keyword. You will see this text ads. This comes to search network. Top 4 will be ads and bottom 3 will be ads maximum. So this will be a text ad, and amount will be deducted when
Somebody
click. So CPC. And where your ad is appearing? SERP, search engine results page. And you're targeting your ads based on what?
keyword.
Based on keywords and location. Here I said SERP, right? There is one more thing called search engine partners. There are some Google partners also. They tie up with the Google. That's called search partners. Just Google on who are the Google search partners. You will understand what are the websites. These people partnered with the Google. So when you searching, ad is appearing, right? In such a way, in their websites or their search engines also ads will appear. But I think Google is only the most trusted one. Instead of that, if I show my ads on the search partners, I'm doubt of the quality. I have a doubt of the quality. That's why I don't want to go for the search partner. So when you're running a campaign, there are by default search partners is checked. Remove it. Otherwise, I think it's not a problem anyway. I think it's not a quality one. But when you talk to Google team, they tell that why don't you add search partners? You will end up more clicks. I don't want more clicks. I will need a quality clicks. At the same time, they says that your ad will be applying on the display net, means websites and apps also your ad will appear.
We can filter some search partners if I want.
No, you select search partners, that's it. Then by default, one more option also there. Apart from SERP, your ad will appear on websites and ads also. Like you're talking about someone types shoes, your ad is appearing here. In the same way, some blogs who are talking about shoes, there your ad will appear, text ad. But I don't think people read blogs, they will purchase or not. So I don't want to end up losing money. So that's why I don't want to check this also. But if you are a big advertiser, you have a lot of money, then only look here. So your ad will appear on SERP, search partners and display network also. But I recommend to not select them. Okay, so for all the advertisers, service oriented, if you have any service like a school, college, plumber, painter, service, search network is very good. Product based, go for a shopping one. Okay, right. So let me create the campaign. So I'm going to google.com/ads. So first time you log in, it will go to the Express. Google Ads Express is the separate tool designed for the people who don't know anything about the Google Ads. So complete control will be on the Google. So you should skip this. Don't select anything. Scroll down. There is an option called switch to expert mode. Click on this. After that, don't select anything. First, create an account. With one Gmail account, you can create 20 accounts. So start with this account. Create an account without a campaign. Then here, it will ask you country, currency, time zone. So if your client is Indian, then mention the Indian rupees, US dollars mentioned. You can't change these things again. If you want to change again, you have to create another account only. So be careful. You can't change these settings later. So India, so I'm selecting submit. Then account has been created. As we discussed in my previous video, I clearly explained about the account structure. If you want, you can watch my previous video. I'll be mentioning link in the description. Account structure is account, campaign, ad group, keywords, and ads. Now I've done the account level, account created, and I've given the account number 7503673431. Congrats, explore your account. And if you want, you can name this also. How to name this? So here there is option called preferences. The preferences, you can mention the account name. This is Indian client, US client, in such a way. So account name is, I'm writing my test account, or else I'm writing ODMT. You can change it anyway. ODMT account. So that name will be saved here. Right. Now if you refresh, you will see the name here. So if you have multiple accounts, you can see the difference immediately. Now if you want to create another account, click here, then create another account. So new account, done. Now I'm ready to create a campaign. So before that, what campaign I'm creating? Assume that I'm doing for ODMT only. So before you're doing a campaign, make sure that you write a blueprint, what I'm doing. So it will be very clear for you. So I'm running ads for ODMT. This is the account. And I want to target only Hyderabad. I want to target only Hyderabad, or India wise I want to target, or else Hyderabad only. Assume that ODMT is planning to start their classroom training. They want to do it in Hyderabad. Then add groups. What I'm doing, add groups, I'm dividing into SEO, Google Ads, and digital marketing. Are divided into 3 ad groups because I've seen that people are searching for SEO training, people are searching for Google Ads training, and overall people are searching for digital marketing training also. Instead of clubbing them in one, I divided them. Now here, what all the keywords are possible, I'm mentioning over here. SEO training in Hyderabad, SEO classes in Hyderabad. In such a way, Google Ads training in Hyderabad, digital marketing training in Hyderabad, digital marketing course in Hyderabad. To represent them, I'm creating an ad over here for this ad. Blueprint is done. Now I'm going to the campaign. Account is done. Now let me create a campaign. New campaign. Now they're asking you, what do you want? What is your goal of this campaign? You want a sale? You want leads, website traffic, brand consideration, brand awareness, app promotion, local store visits, so many things they added anyway. I say you don't have to select anything. Create a campaign without a goal. Then what is the difference?
It will include all of them.
So I'm saying when I click on sale, just here, it is showing some campaigns. Search, display, shopping, video, smart, discovery. Is it showing app? It is not showing app, correct? When I click on app promotion, it will show only app. When I click on without a goal, it will show all the campaigns. Now you can select. So it doesn't mean that if I don't select any one of them, I'm missing something. I'm not missing anything anyway. Okay. But people don't have a knowledge, they'll do this. If you already have a knowledge what you're doing, so create a campaign without a goal. Now you select whether you want search, display, shopping, video, app. So I explained only this. These are all relevant to this only. Okay, we'll discuss later anyway. Smart campaign is nothing but, I can say it's a biscuit campaign. Google says that everything give control to me only, I will take care of because of my machine learning, artificial intelligence. But once you trust, once you check, then only you will understand. You can't decide it. A local means previously it was there with the search only. They put it separately. When you're searching, marketing training in Hyderabad. These are all ads, right? Now this is the map. In the maps also, sometimes you will see the ad. So for that, they created separate thing. Discovery is for the YouTube, we'll do later. So I'm selecting a search network. So I want to show my ad on the search network. Here they're asking, what do you want, man? You want a website visit, phone calls, or app downloads? Don't select, not required. I'll select manually over there. Continue. Okay. Campaign name. What is the campaign name? ODMT is the account name. Now campaign name is location, Hyderabad. So I'm mentioning Hyderabad. You assume that you want to target your ad in Hyderabad. That's why I'm mentioning a Hyderabad name. It doesn't mean that you have to mention Hyderabad. You can put any name. Palak also you can mention. Again, it doesn't mean that you mention Hyderabad, your ad will go to Hyderabad. Here I have to mention the location. I have to choose the place. This is just for your reference only. What is the campaign name? Now, where my ad will appear? Where my ad appear? SERP, search network. But see here, by default is SERP, search partners, display network. By default tick. Then what I have to do? Uncheck them. But if you have a lot of money, then go for it. Small advertiser, don't go for this. So Google recommend this, but I'm not recommending. See, most advertisers include their ads on Google search partners, but I don't want. Don't miss the opportunity to reach poor people across 3 million sites. My aim is not to reach millions of people. My aim is to reach relevant people. Done. There are some options I'm not showing. Now here it is important. Where I have to target? India. Hyderabad. Hyderabad. So click on enter another location. Here type Hyderabad. Okay. But Hyderabad means assume that mine is a newly launched institute, assume that, and nobody knows my quality. And I'm in Panjagutta. Do you think that the Gachibowli guy will come here and join? Which is around 25 kilometers distance. He will not come. He'll go to Madhapur Institute. Then why should I show my ad to the Gachibowli guy? Then I have a option. Click on advanced search, radius targeting. Here, I want to target 5 kilometers radius of Panjagutta. Then I can type Panjagutta. Now see, starting from here, 5 kilometers radius only my ad is. So this much of freedom is there in the Google ads. Only for these people ad will appear. So if you want, you can remove the Hyderabad one. Done. Okay. Assume that I selected Hyderabad only. There is some advanced option I'm telling. Customer searched SEO training in Hyderabad. By staying in Hyderabad, he searched this keyword. Ad will appear or not?
You selected Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. I selected Hyderabad. Customer is in also Hyderabad. He searched the keyword SEO training Hyderabad. Ad will appear or not? Yes. Customer is in Bangalore. He's searching in the keyword SEO training in Hyderabad. Ad will appear or not? No. Yes or no? Customer is in Bangalore. Then what is the point of selecting a location then? But problem is ad will appear. Even though he is in Bangalore, because Google have designed that in such a way. They designed in such a way that ad will appear to the people who are in Hyderabad, who searching for Hyderabad also. That's not a problem anyway, right? That guy been to Bangalore, but maybe for his cousin he's searching. It's not a problem. But what are the chances of converting? You're a small advertiser, you lose the money. So for this, what I'm doing is click on the location options below it. By default, people in your target location who show interest. That's why when you run the campaign, in the reports, if you see, you get a clicks from Pakistan, Dubai, New Zealand, Australia. Will they join? There is a possibility, but I don't want to lose my money. Mine is a small company. At the time, select here. People in regularly in your targeted location. Now, if you go to Bangalore and search also, it will not appear, even though you're from Hyderabad. So you have to be literally there. So this is good option for a small companies. Languages. In which language you want to show the ad? By default, English. But if your target audience is Telugu, Tamil, French, there are different languages you can select. Leave this option. Budget. Budget means daily budget. Daily budget means how much amount you want to spend per day. It's up to you. I'm saying that 5,000. Now 5,000 is your daily budget. Your CPC is 100. How many clicks come? 500 clicks will come. Right. Now here is the bidding. What do you want to focus on? I focus on clicks and some other options are there. I focus on clicks only. So earlier by default they were giving a manual bidding only. Now it's good that they're showing a set a maximum cost per click bid limit. Okay, I will show you earlier how it was. Directly select this and mention the amount. Means automatically they're taking automatic bidding. But previously how they are, I'm selecting a bid strategy directly. So it was previously like this, manual CPC. Now it's good that they also realized. See here, he only telling setting bids manually may result in lower performance. So instead of a manual bidding, go for automatic bidding. In automatic bidding, many bid strategies are there anyway. That I'll make a separate video on this. But as of now, select a maximize clicks. But when you selected a maximize clicks, if you don't mention the limit, it's a problem. You have to mention that amount also, how much you want to pay. Otherwise, Google will take the unlimited amount based on the competitors. So I'm saying that my maximum is 100 rupees only. So if my max CPC is 100, each time customer click on my ad, how much amount will be deducted? 100?
No.
It's not 100, it's at most 100. Actual CPC depends on the competitor. Competitor CPC plus $0.01. I made a video on this. Watch the video. Right. Done. There are few more settings here and there. No need to select this. And here also some settings are there. Not required. Leave it. So here let me explain you briefly what are these settings. Start and end date. When you want to start the campaign, by default is starting today. Until my budget is there, it will come. Ad schedule. Ad schedule means you want to run the ad 24 hours or else you want to run the ad particular time. And what is the Saturday, Sunday? So initially you should not select it. Once the campaign starts, based on the performance, you can change it. I don't want to show my ad after 9 o'clock. I don't want to show my ad on Sundays. In such a way, you can select. Right. So I selected a campaign name. I don't want this, I unchecked it. And I selected a location and location option. I selected this. Language by default. I mentioned my daily budget. These two are very important. And the bidding. So at campaign level, I selected location, right? In the AdWords account structure, campaign level location only I said. But apart from location, you have to mention daily budget, language, then bidding. Yeah, these are mandatory things. Remaining you can explain here. Right, done. Campaign is done. Here some extensions are there that I'll explain a separate video. Once campaign is done, where will go? Ad groups. It will go to the ad group. Now, how many ad groups we thought? 3: SEO, Google Ads, and digital marketing. So I'm mentioning the. So again, they're saying the ad group type standard. Go for a standard only. SEO one ad group. Then I'm adding another ad group here. Google Ads. Then another ad group. Digital marketing. These are just names only. Now here keywords. Ad group is done. Under that you need keywords, right? What keywords you want to target? Mention them. Find relevant keywords by describing what you're advertising in this ad group. If you want, you can mention the URL, automatically they give you suggestion. Or else enter the product or service, like I'm trying SEO training in Hyderabad. Then automatically they suggest some keywords. See, SEO training in Hyderabad.
You can select all of them.
You can, but see, most of them irrelevant.
Yeah.
Google give a lot of things because they want more money. But I want to have my own control. For that, do a keyword research properly. So I'm mentioning SEO training in Hyderabad. Is it correct or anything mistake is there in this? When I'm mentioning the keyword, did I mention proper or any mistake is there? Is it a perfect keyword?
It's a broad match.
By default, it's a broad match. Then I want to make phrase, how to do that? So here only you have to make it. Then you can mention many SEO classes in Hyderabad. Start with 4 to 5. Don't add many. Later you will see. Now in the Google Ads, I'm writing Google Ads classes in Hyderabad. Many keywords you can add. Now when it comes to digital marketing, you can add it. Course in Hyderabad. Done. Now I've done campaign, ad group, keywords also done. Then save and continue. Where you'll go? Ad. Create an ad. Now I should create the ad. So now how many? Each ad group minimum 1 ad. So 3 ad groups, minimum 3 ads I have to create now. So if you see the ad group, Google Ads. Yeah, when you come here, yeah, for SEO ad group, this is the ad. Well, let's start with the digital marketing one. Yeah. Someone click where it has to go. The URL it is asking. So I'll give the URL this. Final URL. Someone click where it has to go. See, sample ad have been created. Then forget about display URL. It's not mandatory. Later I'll tell you. See, heading line 1, heading line 2. So many headlines they gave. But actually, structure is heading line 1, heading line 2, description line 1, description line 2. At least these are mandatory. See here, heading line 1, heading line 2 are description only. But why they mention this many headlines? Because they're doing A/B testing. You're writing SEO training in Hyderabad, SEO classes, SEO course, which is the best one, Google only pick. But basically 2 headlines only will appear.
So we should mention 4, 5.
You mention all of them, that's much better for you. Google will decide which is the best for you. But it's not mandatory. If you put 2 also, Google will take. See, I'm writing SEO. This is for digital marketing, right? Digital marketing. The limit is there, maximum 30 characters only. Course in HYD. See, 31 characters, it's done. So advertisement means that is only, right? You have a limited time to project your video. Within the 10 seconds, 20 seconds only, you have to convey the message. Here also, within 30 characters, you have to deliver the message. So I'm removing this. Digital marketing course, Hyderabad. Still, it makes sense. Now I'm writing 100% job guarantee. Then learn from industry experts, work on live projects. So your ad copy should be relevant. At the same time, it should create emergency in such a way that he should click on that. I'm searching one thing again. I'm searching digital marketing course in Hyderabad. Now, generally, when you search for the keyword, which one you will click? The top one, right? But it's not true. People will not click on the top one. People click on the relevant one. People become very smart these days. Now you're looking for online digital marketing course. He says that digital marketing course online with dual certification. Working professionals, they show interest more on the certification. So there is a possibility working professional click on this. Now this guy says that world #1 program. Maybe entrepreneurs, they're looking for the #1 program, price doesn't matter. But there is one guy, assume that he mentioned 100% job. Who will click on that? Students. So it depends on the mentality of the audience. So whom you're targeting, based on that, you have to create an ad copy. Now, if a student is searching, now these people are not mentioning 100% job, but this guy is mentioning, then people will click on this guy only. Even though he's in a 4th position, his bidding is less, but he getting more clicks based on your ad copy. So ad copy is very, very important. So how should learn this? Regularly watch the competitors, how they're doing it. So then you will learn from the experience you do. See, based on all these lines, Google framed one thing: digital marketing course, Hyderabad, 100% practical classes. Let's keep on changing. See, automatically it's changing. Based on the different lines, automatically they're coming into changes. Now the description also, previously there were only 2 descriptions. Now they add more writing. So based on my previous text, it's giving. Here 90, see here. Right. Now, if you want, you can use them. If it is relevant, you can use them. Right. And one more thing you observe in the ad copy, the first word always they made capital. It's not mandatory, but if you use capital, it look good actually. If you see no other advertisers will not use small one, all use big one. So make practice of that. Then for digital marketing ad group, my ad is ready. Then I'm clicking on the done. Google is asking me to create another ad also. This is one, right? You could create another ad copy. Google will match them, but it is not mandatory. Now remaining SEO also again I have to do for SEO, Google Ads ad group also. Here, as of now, for all digital marketing I've done. For Google Ads SEO also I should do, but I'm just skipping it as of now. I can do it later. Then save and continue. Campaign done, ad groups done, keywords done, ads done. Your campaign is ready to be published. Okay, it's starting on November 26th, and why it is showing all countries. Maybe I haven't selected.
They did not have account details.
Next. But here it will mention Hyderabad, languages, English, and campaign budget 5,000 per day, and bid strategy maximize clicks. So here it should show, I don't know, but those things not saved again. I'll go and change it. Here they're asking the ad extensions, but I will do later. Publish. You have 3 ad groups, 4 keywords and 1 ad. Publish. Done. With this, your campaign creation is done. Now, once you add the budget, it will show you the analytics also. How to check them again? Click on Google Ads. Click on campaigns. Now, this is the one campaign we're done. Now, how many campaigns we're supposed to do? Only one, Hyderabad. If you want to create another Bangalore campaign, create plus another campaign you can create. Now, in this campaign, if you click on campaign, you will see ad group level data. When you click, you will see ad group level data. See, 3 ad groups are there: Google Ads, digital marketing, SEO. When you click on ad group, you will see keywords level data. So I'm clicking on SEO or digital marketing. You will see all the keywords. What all the keywords you mentioned, those keywords. If you want to add more keywords, you can add it. And you want to see your ad copy, left hand side, ads and extension is there. Here you will see this. This is under review. This is under review. And manually, a person from Google check that. There is a chance that it can approve, it can be disapproved. When it will be rejected. If you use Google word here, your ad will be rejected. I mentioned that you have a certification, but I mentioned you have a Google certification. Google is not your trademark. You're not allowed to use it. Then Google will reject it. Main thing is trademarks, other business trademarks. If you use, reject it. Too many spaces, too many capital letters. Complete ad is a capital letter. There is a possibility they will reject anyway. Mostly the trademarks will be rejected. So within 10 to 15 minutes, it will show you whether it is approved or not. Then how it will be live, how to pay the amount. So here billing information is there. Directly here one message comes, your ad will not appear until you make the billing. So in the billing also, billing country India, account type means whether yours is organization or individual. You don't have any firm registration, then go for an individual one. If it is a organization, they'll ask you the proof whether you have a GST or not. So if you really company, you will save 18% money. If you are individual and you don't have any GST, whatever the amount you're spending, 2,000 or 5,000, apart from 18% will go to the GST. So the complete amount will not be utilized. Now here, payment method, there are 2 methods, automatic and manual. Automatic means done with the credit.
Parents GST number over there.
Yeah.
If you put our parents GST number.
You can do that. You can do that. Automatic and manual payments. Automatic payments means once the amount is exhausted, it automatically take from the credit card. It's like a postpaid. Postpaid means you run the campaigns, you will get a bill. But suddenly if you get a 1 crore bill, you will get shocked. So go with the manual payment. Small companies go for the manual payment. Means you have a control, prepaid. I want to utilize how much I want to do it. If it is a manual payment, they'll ask you how much is your total budget. So there are total numbers. We discussed about CPC. We discussed about daily budget. What do you mean by CPC? How much you want to spend per click. What is daily budget?
Amount is
Per day. Per day. You said my per day budget is 900. Then how many clicks are possible? Here, 30 clicks are possible. Then how many days you want to run this? You have the right. I want to run this for 10 days. Then your total budget should be that 9,000. This is how you decide the total budget. But this is for the campaign Hyderabad. Now you also have a campaign Bangalore. Here also same 30, 90. Then 9,000 plus 9,000. For the campaign 9,000, total budget should be 18,000. So whatever the total budget you're mentioning here, all the campaigns will utilize. So based on that only mention it. Here as of now, assume that I have 2 campaigns. I'm mentioning 18,000 rupees. Okay. Mention your debit card or credit card details. Click on agree and submit. It will be done. So let me select net banking. Yeah. They're asking your details here. Later you can change. Submit. Then within 5 minutes they take the money. Once it is done, ad will take 24 hours to be live. Done, guys. This is how you will do the Google search network. I'm telling you, most of the businesses who have a services it's good to take the search network. But remember, here ad copy is very important. What kind of keywords you are using also very important. And after that, bidding, what kind of bidding you're using also important. This is just an overview. This is not a live project. In the next class, I'm going to show the live project. For the live project, how the clicks are coming also I'll show, so that you will understand. If you have any questions, you can reply back to me. And if you have a business, you don't know how to run Google Ads, let me know so that I'll help you how to do that. You can contact me on subhashmangalam796@gmail.com. Thank you very much.